Hey, what's up? Is there a better way to make money online other than affiliate marketing going forward in 2020 and then going forward in the future? Is there something better out there? Better. And I honestly don't think so, even though I'm open-minded, I'm always looking. Okay, I do like the idea of buying and then selling .com names. That's my other side hustle project I like to do. But there's some downfalls with internet domains. One is it's kind of a gamble. It's not guaranteed to pay off. You do have to spend money on the domain. You have to learn how to negotiate with people. You also have to wait. Most of the money's in the waiting part, okay? You also have to pay the renewal fees on the domain every single year as well. And yeah, I mean, so that's kind of the downfall, and it's not a guaranteed thing. With affiliate marketing, I've done pretty well. I really have, okay? And the problem with affiliate marketing is a lot of people get this idea that's wrong. When they think of affiliate marketing, they think of Amazon's affiliate program and niche sites where you build a niche site and you stick a bunch of links everywhere to product reviews or something. When someone clicks on it, you hope and pray someone clicks on it and they buy something and then you make money. It's like a hope and pray strategy or something. And yeah, I just think affiliate marketing is a whole lot more than that. It really is. It's an idea to do business. It's a philosophy, really. And what really helped me see the light in affiliate marketing is a book called Internet Marketing Secrets by Russell Brunson, which is a great book. I recommend you reading if you ever do get a chance. And what makes affiliate marketing really very powerful is that once you have a list that you're constantly trying to build, that's your ideal line. You always want to be building your list. Once you have a list of people in a certain niche, they're interested in a certain topic, you could promote a wide variety of products and services to those people. You could do low ticket items. You could do residual income products. You could do high ticket items, which is what I do as well. You could do surveys. You could do anything to those people, and you could do it years and years into the future. Okay, whatever it is you want to promote, you could do it through a list. Also, I'm gonna make the case that it's probably better to do it through a list. Okay, so it's really a way to do business to market anything online. Uh, like whatever the business is, say you want to do consulting, right? Even if you want to do consulting, you could do it with a list, okay? And here's an idea. Uh, you could probably promote products to help businesses, right? And if they didn't want it to do the product, they wanted some more hands-on approach, then you could do consulting service. You could do it for them for more money. If you want to do a social media marketing agency, which is very popular right now, uh, if I want to do that, I would lean towards a list. I would probably get somebody on a list, build a relationship, promote various products to help them with their business. If they want me to do it for them, I would charge them a whole lot more money. Okay. The reason a list is really, really so powerful is because it enables you to communicate with somebody directly. Okay. And you own the list, you own it, and you can communicate with somebody, way into the future if you want to, okay? And the biggest reason I like the list is because marketing anything online, it's really not that easy. It's not as easy as what people think. People are skeptical. They're like, I don't want to spend money. I don't know this. I don't know about that. That's a healthy thing that people are skeptical. But but with a list, you can do everything possible that you can to get somebody over their skepticism. This is going to help your business in the long run, and it's going to help the people you're trying to help to just kind of get over their fears and their hesitations. And it's so really in a nutshell, affiliate marketing and a list is just a way to communicate with people even better. And we all like to think we're like the best super duper communicators, but we're not. I'm not. And that's why a list can be so helpful to whatever business that you have. I mean, it is all the powers in the list, okay? So those are my my thoughts on, is there a better way to make money than affiliate marketing in 2020? I don't know. If you know of a better way to make money other than affiliate marketing going forward in the future, please share. I would really appreciate that. You know, I'm always looking at things. I talk to people all the time. I'm looking at other ways to improve what I'm trying to do. So, anyways, lastly, if you do want to get into affiliate marketing, I know that it really does help to learn from somebody who's really, really good. And I'm not saying I'm the best, but there is only one person I do recommend because I know deep down he is very, very good. Okay. So that's why I recommend him. If you want to know who this person is, just click that link below, or you could check out the website at trustthelink.com. You can trust the link. Okay. All right. Have a very enjoyable and fun rest of your day. Take care.